Hello, I'm Matthew Canoyer from the Grafton High School Student Help Desk, and today I will be going over how to add extensions to your Google Chrome browser. Extensions are pretty much just little apps that you can add to your browser, which will make your life easier in a wide variety of ways. To add extensions to your browser, you'll need to go onto Google and search up the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store has a lot of different things you can look at, but for the sake of today, we are only going to be looking at extensions. As you can see, there are a lot of extensions you have to choose from in a wide variety of categories, from editor's picks to gaming to other personal stuff and chats. And it can be overwhelming at first. However, I can assure you that searching for the extensions that you'd want and adding them is an incredibly easy and simple process. So if you want to find an extension, you can either look through here or you can search one up in the store. So I will just be going on to Editor's Pick, and here are some very popular, widely liked extensions that, as you can see, Editor's Pick. So for the sake of today's video, I'll just do Google Translate as an example onto how to add an extension. So you'd first just click on it, then click on Add to Chrome, agree to add the extension, and the extension will be added to your Google Chrome browser. And as you can see, all of your extensions will appear on the top right-hand part of your browser, and you can easily just go to them and click on them. And you can use them for a wide variety of things. So as you can see with like Google Translate, I just, have Google Translate for easy access. And I'm actually using a extension right now, this one, Screencastify, to actually record this video. So they can do a very wide variety of things. And now I'm going to be going over 5 extensions that I believe will be very helpful to you as a student or even a teacher. The first one I'd like to go over is Google Docs Quick Create. Installing it will appear as the doc sheet slide stack on the top right-hand corner, and clicking on it will allow you to easily create a new Google Doc, sheet, slide, drawing, form, whatever you want. It's very simple to easily just go from any window you want, just easily into a new Google thing. If you want to make it, it's very simple and convenient. Next one I'd like to look at is Checker Plus for Gmail. Checker Plus pretty much allows you to pretty much open up your Gmail whenever. So clicking on it, it will allow me to check my emails, such as this one, and it will allow me to create entirely new emails. Just directly from my Chrome browser with only just a couple clicks. Next one I'll look at is full page screen capture. So it'll pretty much just allow you to take a screenshot of any page you want, except for the Chrome Web Store for some reason. I'm not sure why that is, but I could just open up a new tab and just take a full screen capture, and it will capture the entire screen, and you can save it as an image or a PDF. And the next one I'll be looking at is Google Calendar, which is exactly as it sounds. It's just an easy access to your Google Calendar. Very helpful. And the last one I'm going to look at is Sketchpad. It's just a very simple sketchpad which you can use to draw, erase, erase, or change, you can change the color. You can erase stuff. You can use the bucket if you want to make everything green. It's just, you can clear it all, and whatever you have, you can save it and download it as an image. It's a very helpful tool. Now let's say for this that you don't want an extension that you already have added. To remove it, you could either go to the web store and select the Remove from Chrome option, or you can simply right-click on it and select Remove from Chrome, and it will remove it from your browser, and it will allow you to report abuse if it was like malware or something, or if it did some bad stuff to your computer. You can report it. And yeah. So, but a somewhat inconvenient thing about your extensions is that it may initially appear as if they are exclusive to the device that you use them on. So for example, as I am right now, if I were to install all of these extensions onto this Mac and I went to a PC, they wouldn't be there because they're two completely like different devices, or even if I went to another Mac. So how do you get around this? You turn on sync. You turn on sync by going into just any Chrome tab and clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and going down to settings. And from settings, you select turn on sync. You link your data. Yes, I'm in. And there you go, your sync is on. And from here, you would go to sync and Google accounts, manage sync, and you can personally select everything you want to sync and make sure that for this one in specific, you have your extension synced so that if you log into a different device, it will still have all of your extensions saved. And yeah, that'll about do it for this tutorial on how to use Google Chrome extensions. I hope this will be incredibly helpful to your school life as it has been incredibly helpful to mine. Thank you for watching.